Let's dive deep into the data collection module. The data collection module will collect all the session data. The therapist will have to click on Start Session. A form will pop up where the therapist will have to fill in all the required details. The action item includes adding details such as client name, start and end time of the session time, programs to be conducted for that client. Once clicked on Submit button, the session timer countdown will start. The therapist will be required to add the details such as client name, start and end time of the session type, mode of session, programs that are to be conducted for the kit, intervals for the program if needed. Once the Submit button is clicked, the session timer countdown will start. Once the session is on, the therapist has to enter all the session data. The therapist can add or remove flashcard during the session. The therapist can also add ABCs in between the session. The therapist can add instructions as well. Once the therapist clicks on Submit button, the session summary form will appear. The session summary form will contain the fields such as session summary notes, behavior observations, ratings for each program conducted, mastered programs, and all the other fields that were conducted during the session. The therapist will have to make sure to fulfill all the fields that are present in the form. Once the therapist has clicked on Submit button, the session summary will be sent via WhatsApp to the parent as well as the therapist in a PDF format. The session summary sent via WhatsApp in the form of PDF will contain the fields such as client ID, session ID, client details, therapist name, start and end time of the session, programs conducted during the session, targets conducted during the session, therapist observations, session summary notes, ratings, and etc.